Hey everyone, Mark here, your Indition Form Builder Specialist, and with this video I will show you how to retrieve your embed codes. Embedding a form on a website is a very simple two-step process. First we need to retrieve and copy the embed code for the form and then paste your code into the HTML of your web page. So let's dive right in. First you need to log into Indition Forms and then you need to go to the dashboard page. From there, you will see a variety of options to click on, but for the easiest way of getting the embed code, we will want to click on the Manage Form button in the top module located here. On the Manage Forms page, find the form you want to embed and then click on the number in the Pages Using column of the form. This will then open up a pop-up. As you can see there, all of the form designs that you have created will appear. Find the form design you want to embed and click the Get Embed Code button. Then click on the embed code and there you have it. Or as I mentioned before, click the Copy Code button here. There are many other ways to get the embed code. One being in the Forms Management page where you can click on the Designs number in the Designs column and it will take you to the Form Design page where you can see all of your existing designs. Then click on the chain link icon located here. We'll use generic design as an example. And then you will see a pop-up prompt come up and it will give you the option to select your embed code. And the same process would apply. Select the button and then you'll see your embed code underneath and you can either double click or click copy code. The last way to get your embed code would be to get it from inside the form designer. The last way to get the embed code would be to get it from inside the form designer. Once you've created your form and are in the form designing process, you can click the settings button in the top right corner next to the edit form and preview page buttons. Then on the left side, you'll need to scroll down a bit, but you will see the Get Embed Code button. And the same process would apply. Click, copy, and there you have it. And now you know 3 ways on how to get your embed code. Thanks for watching.